Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic oil. Changing your own oil is a straightforward maintenance task that can save you money and help you understand your vehicle better. We'll cover everything from gathering the right materials to safely disposing of the old oil. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, even if you're new to car maintenance. Let's get started and keep your Civic running smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and supplies. You'll need about 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic motor oil, a new oil filter, and a 17mm wrench for the drain plug. Don't forget a drain pan to collect the old oil, a funnel for refilling, and some shop rags for any drips. Having everything organized beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. First, safely lift your Civic and place it on jack stands or use ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and carefully remove it with your 17mm wrench. Let all the old oil drain completely into your pan. Once drained, replace the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Next, remove the old oil filter and install the new one, hand tightening it firmly. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Using your funnel, pour the new 0W20 synthetic motor oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Start with about 3.5 quarts, then check the dipstick. Add more oil gradually until the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Run the engine for a minute, then recheck the level. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Proper oil changes extend your engine's life significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.